Now here we just want to look at this is just like a point, a very important point in the lower limb, and this is where the small saphenous vein communicates with the great saphenous vein. All right, so we just want to look at the connection, or the where they actually communicate. So you can see the small saphenous vein and the great saphenous vein, see where they communicate, and also talk about the importance of this communication. So small saphenous vein, we said that it's a superficial vein of the posterior leg and usually drains into the popliteal vein. So it communicates with the great saphenous vein through several communicating veins, okay, which provide important connections between the two major veins of the lower limb, okay. So the small saphenous vein, we said that usually from the lateral side of the dorsal venous arch of foot. That means what? From this side, okay, the blood goes up, that's the small saphenous, then ascend posterior to the what? Lateral malleolus, runs up the posterior what? Midline of the leg. So termination, so that usually ends into the popliteal vein. Can you see that what? How it fixes into the popliteal vein. So communicating veins with the great saphenous vein is they connect with the great saphenous vein via the communicating veins, okay, also called the anastomotic veins. So these veins, they run obliquely across the posterior and the medial aspects of the leg. So what's the importance? They allow blood to pass between what? The two superficial venous systems. So the key communicating veins, we have the what? Giacomini vein, okay, is the most important communicating vein there, okay, extends from the small saphenous vein to, of course, you know, the great saphenous vein and all of that, okay. So Giacomini vein.